I found some really cute stuff from Walmart. Like, they were all $10 or under, these items I'm going to show you. And they are so cute. And I saw some people that are not wearing masks. But I'm going to show you how to pair these inexpensive Walmart items with some other items that maybe might be not as inexpensive. So, first thing I saw that I couldn't resist are these, they're like, kind of like yoga pants. So they have the little band up here, and then they are really long. They're actually, I'm only 5'2", so they're a little long for me, but we'll make do. 5'2", make do. At the bottom, the legs are flared. So I've always loved the look of a tight pant going down the waist, and then the legs, oh, you can't see my leg, hang on. Then the legs, whoa, okay, never mind. The legs being flared. That is like absolutely ideal. I love that. So the first thing are these pants, and they're kind of a burnt orangish brown, which is very, very 60s, and I do enjoy the 60s look. And I am 5'2". These are by No Boundaries, and then as you can see, the size is small 3 to 5. So if you're, I'm about, well, 5'2" with shoes, whatever. If you're about 5'1" to 5'2", and weigh about 110 pounds, then this size would be great for you. If you're a little smaller or bigger, good luck finding anything at Walmart if you're smaller, because it's always sold out. So let's get to the next one. The next thing that caught my eye was this really long sweater. I love the stripes. I love how it has like the holes in it. And this is a size extra small 1. And this is also No Boundaries, probably because that's the brand Walmart carries. I don't know. I don't pay attention to brands. I just pay attention to what I think looks good and what feels like halfway decent quality. So there's the tag. The next thing that I got at Walmart is this super cute shirt. So I love it. Like in the front, it has the little tie. You know these strings that come on and it's supposed to help your clothes with staying on your hangers? I hate these. They're so annoying because if you leave them on, then they like pop out at the best times ever, like right in the middle of a date or something. So I'm sorry, but hope that didn't trigger anything. So it has this cute little bow. The shoulders can be worn like up or down, and you'll see when I try it on. And then it has some ribbing throughout the waist area, which is very nice. And then the bottom is just kind of floofy. So the next two things I got at Walmart are actually tights. And I used to be like really big into tights when I was working a corporate job, just because it was fun to wear my nice skirts and cute tights and stuff. But I didn't usually wear these kind of tights because these are a little like, woo. First pair of tights I got are, let me show you. It's this kind of, well, not even kind of, it's fishnet. Yes, the 80s are coming back, and so is fishnet, and I'm all for it. So we're going to try those on with some things that I got from Walmart, or with one thing that I got from Walmart. I have a cute little outfit to show you. The next pair of tights that I got are, they're so gorgeous. They're these purple tights. Look at the design in these. It's so pretty and so cute. Okay, so I do have a couple of other things that I'm going to be pairing these outfits with that I didn't get at Walmart. I think they're actually all hand-me-downs. One of these days we'll do like a hand-me-down try-on haul, because you would be amazed at the hand-me-downs that I've received, and I will take them. If it's free, give it to me. And speaking of which, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, it would help me out a ton. Your subscription will help me to get 1,000 subscribers, which is what I'm going for. If you're watching this in like 5 years, I hope I have 1,000 by now. But I want to get my 1,000 subscribers. I'd like to get monetized so I could stay home with my kids and be able to make YouTube videos. And your subscription and you hitting the like button to push this video out to other people would actually help make my dream come true. So please help make my dream come true. It would be fantastic. It's just like, it's a little click right down there, and then a thumbs up click on the other side. So it's no big deal at all. All right, let's get started with these outfits. I'm going to show you outfit number 1. And this is outfit number 1. I have my little ruffly shirt on. As you can see, just pull these down. You can get it down to your shoulder if you want and just push the bra straps down, or wear a strapless one. Whatever you prefer is fine with me. Or you can just have it up and be comfy. And I'm just wearing some jeans that I got like, I don't know, maybe 5 years ago at the mall or something. So yeah, just this shirt with jeans is just so cute, so fantastic. I absolutely love it. Let me get closer so you can see all the details. So here's how it ties. If you don't have much up top, this shirt is perfect because the way it ties in right here and then the way this cinches in really is flattering. So I give this shirt out of 10 a 10 for Walmart because it's so cute. And the fabric, like the sleeves, they're stretchy so you can wear them down. You can pull them up a little bit if you want. Yeah, it's a very versatile shirt. It is very thin, so since I am a human popsicle, this shirt would be great with a sweater. Yes. So we're going to get to our next outfit. Alright, and our next outfit is this same shirt, but with these cute brown pants. These pants do have, it does roll way up like this. They're high-waisted pants. They go about a ½ inch or so above my belly button, but I have it pierced, and it's really, really, really annoying to have pants over my piercing, so I always just roll them down a little bit, and they still look cute rolled down, like they're fine rolled down, and nobody can see anyway, but it's more comfortable for me. So here's my second outfit with these pants. Okay, so here are the pants. I'm standing on a box. I don't want to break what's inside. But here's how the legs go, minus my ugly socks. Don't look at the socks. Okay. So I think that these are super cute. I love how they flare out at the bottom. And I think they actually match this shirt. So the next outfit is this same lovely shirt paired with a short little skirt. I did not get this skirt from Walmart. I got this skirt from Value Village about 15 years ago. So let me show you the tights that I decided to wear with it. So I'm wearing those purple tights. It's quite the contrast, but I wanted to show you what they look like. So here's that. Cute little purple tights. Yes. Probably a darker skirt might have been better with this, but this matched the top of this. So maybe in the summer, we take away the tights. But guess what? I got more to show you, so hang on. Okay, so as you can see, I have the sweater on. Underneath, I do have a shirt that I absolutely love. Check out these little buttons and stuff. It just, once again, if you are schmal up top, it is a shirt that accentuates what you have. Unfortunately, I got this top at a thrift store as well, so I cannot tell you where it came from. Once again, I've had it for over 10 years, but I love it, and it goes perfect with this sweater. So check out the sweater, since you can get that at Walmart. Super cute. Let me show you what it looks like with the pants. Okay, so there now you can see the whole thing. Pants. I'm not going to turn all the way around. I mean, I guess I could. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the back. And then you got the cool long pants. If you hear the creaking, that could be DVDs breaking. I'm not really sure. Here we have it. The sweater and the pants. And I bought these two together on purpose because I knew they would be super cute. Alright, so the next outfit that I have planned is still this sweater, it's still this shirt, but I'm going to show you what those black fishnet tights look like with this sweater, because I thought, it's got black holy stuff in it, so why not pair it together with some fishnets? Okay, so as you can see, I have this little gray skirt on. I love it because it has shorts Once again, so sorry, can't tell you where to get it because I've got it from the thrift store like 10 years ago or longer. I don't know. I keep saying 10 years, but I've been around for like 42 years, so 10 years, 15 years, it's all the same to me. So here we go. Here's the tights. Nice little fishnet. I love them. They're very comfortable. They don't feel scratchy or anything, so I like them. There we have it. That is the next outfit. Now, keep in mind, I only got 3 items from Walmart, but there's so many different ways to pair these items together. So I would love to know what you think about the outfits in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got value out of this video. My name is Angela, and my channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. I post videos about creative living, including furniture redesign, clothes, makeup, hair, beauty, crafts, ideas. If you're looking for anything creative, you will find it on my channel. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. If you hit subscribe, you're going to feed a kitten, and that would be really nice, don't you think? Because I have a kitten, and so you subscribing would help me feed her. That's it for now. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. Peace out.